Hello, welcome to all. Let's continue with parts of speech pronouns. Look at Mohan in different postures. Mohan is moving back, Mohan is standing, Mohan is talking to somebody, Mohan is looking at the book in hand. We know it is very awkward to use the name of same person again and again. Instead of using Mohan again and again, we can make use of he is standing, he is talking, or he is looking at the book in hand. The word he we have used in place of Mohan is known as pronoun. Yes, pronouns are words that replaces nouns, or we can say replacing words. For example, I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, etc. Let's discuss different kinds of pronouns. Personal, व्यक्तिवाचक, reflexive, निजवाचक, emphatic, बलवाचक, demonstrative, संकेतवाचक, possessive, अधिकारवाचक, relative, संबंधवाचक, interrogative, प्रश्नवाचक. Yes, the words like I, we, you, they, her, him, etc. used in place of people, animals, or things are known as personal pronoun. These are of three types. फर्स्ट पर्सन जो बात कर रहा है, यूज़ ऑफ आई जब एक व्यक्ति बात करता है, यूज़ ऑफ वी जब एक से ज़्यादा बात करते हैं, सेकंड पर्सन जिससे बात हो रही है, यूज़ ऑफ यू जब एक से बात हो रही है, यूज़ ऑफ यू जब हम एक से ज़्यादा से बात कर रहे हैं, थर्ड पर्सन पर्सन स्पोकन ऑफ जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, दे जब ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात हो रही है, यूज़ ऑफ इट जब एक व्यक्ति या एक वस्तु के बारे में बात हो रही है. यूसेज ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन in singular, first person I as subject, me as object, second person you as subject, you as object, third person he she it as subject, him her it as object, plural, first person as we, us as object, second person you as subject, you as object, third person they as subject, them as object. Look at the pic. It is clear. It is Alicia. When Claire looks at Alicia, then subject and object are different persons. We can't make use of reflexive pronoun. In another pic, when Claire is looking at herself, means in mirror, subject and object both are same. Then herself is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun, these are special pronouns. They are usually used when the object is the same as subject. For example, myself, yourselves, herself, ourselves, yourself, himself, itself, themselves. Emphatic pronoun, जोरवाचक. Emphatic pronouns are pronouns that emphasize the action of the subject. Emphatic pronoun में सब्जेक्ट द्वारा किए गए एक्शन पर जोर होता है. एग्जाम्पल, ही हिमसेल्फ ऑर्गेनाइज द पिकनिक, शी हरसेल्फ बेक्ड द केक. इम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन जो है सब्जेक्ट के तुरंत बाद इसका प्रयोग होता है, जैसे शी के बाद हरसेल्फ का. डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिफ्लेक्सिव एंड इम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन. रिफ्लेक्सिव निजवाचक, इम्फेटिक जोरवाचक. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन का प्रयोग ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई कैन डू इट माई सेल्फ, माई सेल्फ एज ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. इम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन का प्रयोग सब्जेक्ट में सब्जेक्ट के तुरंत बाद होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई माई सेल्फ कैन डू इट. लेट्स असेस वर्कशीट ऑन पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. Write the personal pronoun from the word sheet that best complete each sentence below. Using the words, complete the worksheet. Also find worksheet based on reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Fill the gap with the correct pronoun and indicate whether it is a reflexive or emphatic pronoun. Write R for reflexive and E for emphatic pronoun. In next video, we will discuss rest kinds of pronouns. Thanks.